Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school tablet. First, power on your device and connect to the school's secure Wi-Fi network. You'll then log in using your unique student credentials, ensuring your data stays safe. Take a moment to explore the home screen. It's your central hub. Swipe left or right to discover pre-installed educational apps and tools. Understanding these basics will make your learning experience much smoother from day one. Now, let's dive into the core learning tools. Your Learning Management System, or LMS, is crucial for accessing assignments, submitting work, and viewing grades. Many tablets come with productivity apps like word processors and presentation software, perfect for creating projects and taking notes. Don't forget to explore the preloaded educational apps. They offer interactive ways to learn about various subjects, from science to history, making study time engaging and effective. Keeping your tablet organized and well-maintained is key to a smooth learning experience. Create folders for your apps, grouping them by subject or type, so you can find what you need in seconds. Remember to charge your tablet fully each night. A dead battery can disrupt your learning. Also, protect your device with a sturdy case and clean the screen regularly with a soft cloth to keep it in top condition throughout the school year. To maximize your tablet's potential, adopt a few best practices. Regularly back up your important files to cloud storage. This prevents data loss if something happens to your device. If you encounter any technical issues, don't hesitate to contact your school's IT support team. They are there to help. Finally, always use your tablet responsibly and adhere to all school policies regarding digital citizenship. This ensures a positive and productive learning environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.